Welcome back. This is the fourth and final video in the Intro to Epi iPrep series. In this video, I'll give you a few last words of advice to help you be successful in your public health course. These are just some study tips that I've put together. The first one is to make a note card if you'll be allowed to use, even if you're going to be allowed to use all your notes, or even if you won't be able to use any for that matter. Condensing information is a great form of studying, and you'll retain more information than you think. Secondly, keep your formulas handy when doing assignments. Our main focus in these videos was on risk and odds ratios, but there will be several other formulas that you're going to need to use at any time, such as incidence rates and mortality rates. Keep the 2x2 table template handy. I know I've said it a few times, but I'll say it again. If you're allowed to use any resources, this one will definitely help you move through word problems more quickly. And finally, pay close attention to how you're reporting an association. I know I'm sounding like a broken record at this point, but these are a big area where points are lost on exams. You can tell by now that Intro to Epi has a lot of word problems in it. These problems will draw on multiple skills and concepts at once. Be sure to begin homework assignments early so you have time to ask your TAs questions. Also, make sure you understand the examples provided in lecture. The lecture and homework problems are good examples of what you might see on an exam. Review key concepts over and over again and practice as much as you can. As always, be sure to check out the Learning Resource Center for more assistance. We're always here to help with tutoring, preparatory sessions, supplemental learning, study groups, and RISE, which offers resources for immigrant students and English language learners. I've also included the website here. As our final recap, our Intro to Epi iPrep series began with a review of fractions and decimals in Part 1, introduced 2x2 tables in depth in Part 2, along with risk ratios and odds ratios, discussed the scientific method and 3 main study designs in Part 3, and went deeper into how to approach long word problems in Part 4. I hope you found this preparatory course helpful and wish you luck in your Intro to Epi course. Remember that help is free and easy to find at the Learning Resource Center if you find yourself struggling at any time. Thank you.